Morning, ladies. I'm sorry, baby. Sorry. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing? It's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday.
Welcome to Bekwara First Lady TV One in Lebanon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you come across this channel, consider subscribing, put the notification bell, put it on all notifications so that anytime I am online or drop video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes guys, I have finally attended this occasion that I told you guys, the birthday party. Okay, I have finally attended. I'm just putting a clip for you guys here, but guys, it was just like I'm the one covering the event yesterday. Oh my god. I did a whole lot of video to show you guys how the birthday party went and what I need to chip in the video. Please don't give don't give up. Just keep your finger crossed. I will give you all the other updates about this event that I attend, what I learned from it. I'm coming back to give you, but right now let's get into today's gist, guys. Today's gist is all about Tonto Odike. Like I told you guys, that Tonto Dike really need our help. Okay, we the audience, with the internet gossiper, we if we see the correct one, we they talk am in the right way. If we see the wrong one, we see they talk am in the wrong way. If na correct English, we dey. If na broken, anyhow pidgin, we dey. So all our own is just to make all this amable so that to make peace. As in, when you are watching our video, you learn from what we are saying. We also bring a video which you can teach us from your own comment section. Okay, today is all about Tonto Dike. Like I said from the beginning, I just entered my Facebook page this morning and I saw that Tonto Dike came out to advise us, like nobody should give up. She's trying to talk to us ladies that nobody should give up, that she know that life will throw back at you, but you should never give up. Say it's okay to feel pain, but you should never let it weigh you down. That is what I understand. So this guy called Harry come out and leave this kind of comment. Like I was reading all the comment, there is so much encourage word of encouragement for her. There is this one comment that make me feel like, oh, this guy, or rather this boy, come out to make mockery on Tonto Dike, and I felt so bad. I actually want to share my own opinion. Okay, I always said it that it is because of what people will say, what people will do, that you will see a lot of people when they fall into situation like Tonto Dike, they will fall into depression and some of them give up life. Okay, this is what this guy just did. Tonto Dike did this video, I think yesterday, but she uploaded it today, which she said, Happy Sunday, guys. And this guy came out and said it is actually Monday morning. Heartbreaking is not anybody mate. Ha. My God, like this is not good. Okay, if she's reading this kind of comment, how do you want her to feel? Like, do you really want her to feel about what she's going through now? Look, I only talk about this. Nigerians or the people of the world, let's stop making mockery of people that fall victim. You never even know the next minute. You don't know why or when you will be. You don't know what will happen to you. A lot of people feel embarrassed, feel disgraced today because of what people say to them, because of what people want them. Some people will remain poor in life today because people want them to remain poor. Because when you are doing things, you made a mistake, people always count on your mistake, people always try to condemn you. That is one of the reasons you will see people say, oh, I will not try, let me just stay my own, I don't want people to talk about me. But one thing, I will need to tell my audience today, let me tell you, until you are breathe, your last breath before nobody will talk about you, and there will still be history to call your name. Forget about what people will talk about you. Live your life. Okay, like I said, Tonto Dike is not the first person that fall victim of love, and she will never be the last person. People should stop making mockery on her or make her feel bad. Okay, that she fall victim, it doesn't mean that she's a first, or neither she will be the last. Just because she's a public figure, you guys see that she's heartbreaking, and you actually come out to make mockery on her. People go through heartbreaking every day, relationship broken every day, marriage broken every day. Like, it is only the one our eyes see that we will talk. Our people talk parable in my language, that if something, like if ant fall into the eye, they will say blow it out, but if it fall in the mouth, they will close the mouth. You understand? Like, you are seeing the one that is on somebody's eye, but you forget to see the one that is in your eye. As far as I'm concerned, in this life, nobody is above mistake. And Tonto Dike, my darling, cute sister, let me tell you, you are proud. I am so proud of you for the way you are bold, talking boldly in this period of time when people think that you would die. See, some men come into your life, they feel like they become your God. They feel like they are your creator. They feel like if they leave you, you are not going to live again. You made a mistake by begging this man in the first place, and I said it is not a mistake. When your relationship is going the way you know want, you will try to beg, okay? But when you see that it is not yours, what you need to do is to give up, and that is what is really happened. And I'm happy that you give up. All I need to advise you this morning, do not read all those fake comments and let it weigh you down. And I'm so happy, just like I said from the beginning, I'm grateful that you didn't let this comment weigh you down. Okay, you didn't let what people will said weigh you down. You are still Tonto, King Tonto that I know. My dear, keep going. God will bring a man that will love you for who you are. A man that will love you will never even think of maybe you are drunky or you are smoking. Because of all that attitudes, they will leave you. They will be there for you and change you and try make you see reason why you should be stop drinking or smoking. They are saying you are drinking and smoking. The audience never see, but we are just hearing this. Okay, I said keep being who you are. Never let people weigh you down. Okay, never let people weigh you down, because I think what people need in this life is to see you down. When you are going up, they never like it. Really, like, seriously, somebody made a video and she said happy Sunday. You didn't know when she did that video. She's not on live video that we say, oh, she came on live video and she started telling people happy Sunday instead of happy Monday. Like, I don't see where some people will just judge the kind of wrong judgment. Guys, I will put the clip of that now and you will see it, and you will know that what in this guy really wrote is not good. Because a lot of people even come at, even I myself still come and write. I said I will advise you to delete this comment for your own good. Yes, because he never know tomorrow. Okay, you are making mockery of person today. People I are and on you too. Just because you are not public figure, it doesn't mean you are not a human being. Okay, so people should mind what they said. People should mind what they do. Like, don't think, oh, because it's not happened to me, let me condemn this person. It's not really right, guys. That's why I just want to share my own opinion, and also to give word of encouragement. If you are not Tonto Dike, I'm saying this particularly, like generally, if you are in her case, you are in her situation, like, guys, if you don't if this is the first time you come across this Tonto Dike topic, Tonto Dike is one of the person that fall a victim in a relationship just few months ago. She got into a relationship and it break up with a guy called Popo Gri, and they are having issues seriously. And as before you even hear this name, you will know who Tonto Dike are, because she is a public figure and actress. Okay, so that's why I said let me share it with you guys this morning. So, guys, generally, that I'm saying, even as a human being, if you fall in love, if it doesn't work out, don't let it weigh you down because of the relationship doesn't work out. No, it means that that person did not belong to you. It means that it did not work out between you and the person. Don't let people weigh you down by their words. Like, the one that even baffle me, some people will come and say, hey, sorry, I hear that you guys are not together. What is sorry about? If relationship doesn't work out, doesn't mean that is a big deal. No, it's not a big deal. So people should stop making people feel bad, like if relationship doesn't work out, it is the end of the world. No, it's actually, again, if you are into a relationship, especially if I really want to talk, this video would be too long and I don't like it. Guys, I will be bringing you new updates. See you on my next video.